All right, gardeners. I'm gonna make this quick because it's super hot out here, man. We're dealing with about 104 to 106 temperatures over here in Chico, and I'm telling you, I'm about done with it. I'm ready to like go inside and use the air conditioning. But here we go. I told you last week. So we have this flower right here, and then right here, once again, there's another flower just like this one, right under that little bump on that tarp. So last week I told you we were going to open this up and reveal what it looked like underneath the tarp. I got rid of the slide, so I'm ready to go ahead and look. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look how pretty. Yeah, it's not dead, but it's pretty much almost dead. And it's definitely dried out. It got water, but it didn't get no light. So you can see how wide it is. Look at the big difference. There's the one that was outside the tarp. There's the one that was inside the tarp. You can see all the rotten leaves underneath, a bunch of bugs crawling around. Yeah, not too good for that one, right? So we'll see. I'm gonna be back through here a couple times this year. We'll just see what it looks like.